Hello. This is a short tutorial for using the Samsung washing machine at ISI Bangalore. The first step is to put the main power button on. You are supposed to wait until the stabilizer output button glows. The green light in the output button means the machine is ready to use. The machine has the capacity of 7 kilograms, which means one can easily put 15 clothes, like 4 jeans and 10 shirts. Unlike the old machine, this machine is top-loading washing machine. The next step is to open the lid and put the detergent in the dispenser. You are supposed to pull the dispenser out and put the detergent. It is advised to use good quality detergent like Surf Excel, which will further increase the life of the clothes as well as machine. After putting the detergent, close the dispenser again. The next step is to put the clothes inside the machine. Put the clothes one by one. You are supposed to put the clothes from the sideways and not from the top of the console, as there could be chances of getting console harmed. Important. You are expected to check the pockets of the clothes for any valuable item like pen drive, coins, or any kind of attachments, which can cause the malfunctioning of machine. After you are done, close the lid. The next step is to start the machine. For starting machine, first press the power button. Listen carefully to the following instructions.
Washing machine, as you can see, the digital display is now on. Next, we need to press the button named favorite. Another indicator, which is the favorites indicator, will light up as well, indicating that the favorites mode is now on. The last and final step is to press the start button. That's it.
As you can see, the container is spinning, which means the machine has started, and the display is showing 1 hour and 7 minutes to complete the washing. Once your clothes have finished washing, take them out of the washing machine. Again, you are supposed to take out them sidewise, not above the console. Unlike the old machine, this machine has one filter which needs to be cleaned after every round. Press the filter notch and take it out. You can open the filter by pressing one notch on its top side. Now you will see some wet dust here. You are supposed to clean the filter by hitting gently to any hard surface. Please check that the inner surface of the filter should be clean. Close the filter and place it back to its place. Then close the lid. Happy washing!